Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. It is a vlogging series that we do every Wednesday. What's the update, what's coming up, and so forth as well. We are going to be building the Champion of Slanesh, but before that, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and let's get started. So we are going to build the Champion Slanesh. We're also going to build a lot of Age of Sigmar stuff, because I have a whole bunch of these things that I have to build, and I have a lot more kits I have to build. So I'm basically going to do a lot of Warhammer build before painting, because I like to get them built already, then get them started to get them painted afterwards. That's what I usually do a lot of the time, especially with Warhammer. There are past videos, they're like 2 to 3 months worth of build, and I start painting them like crazy. Follow up for it. We did paint the tavern set that we have as well. I'm not gonna open it because it's a freaking pain in the ass just to do it. It is from our campaign. You're gonna see a lot of this building terrain painting for D&D. For the upcoming weeks and months, I do need a lot more terrain building, especially we have a barn, we have got some ruins, we got some pyramids that we want to get done as well. We want to print some more buildings, especially elven and dwarven structure as well. That we'll be doing that. Champion Slanesh build should be very quick. I know there's some 30 some odd models in there. I don't know if there'll be 2 or 3 videos out of the build alone before we get started to actually paint them for it. There are going to be one coming pin-up painting videos for June. May is basically done. After I did the first build for Slanesh, May video scheduling will be done. I'll be started working on June for that. I just started, 2 extra classes last week, so I am basically going to be very slow on getting video on time, especially the Patreon and the vlogging video. I'll try getting them out as fast as possible, as humanly as possible as I can. I'm trying to get some video games videos up. The other channel is A&L Let's Play. It is my video game channel. I just released the whole gameplay main story for Monster Hunter Wild. Go check that out. We got some other games we picked up for the Switch. Terrian and Xenoblade Chronicles Chronicle X Definitive Edition. I own this on the Wii U, just never really actually played it. But I'm going to try and get that done. Right now I'm playing Space Marine 1. Then I'm going to play Space Marine 2 because I heard it's really, really good. And I want to play the first one to get the story for Commander Titus. I might do an Ultra Space Marine painting. I don't know. Right now, it's just that money's getting tighter around here. And basically, we are going to be 30 pretty more than buying the actual figure itself. My Space Marines that I bought, Specialized, and converted to my Blood Angels. Because that was actually my first army was a Blood Angels back in high school. So that is the main gist of everything. Try to get stuff done. We'll be moving a lot of the miniature that was in our closet back into the garage because produce are getting expensive, so we're setting up a hydroponic system in our walk-in closet by our bedroom. So we'll see how that works too, because the turtle also needs a bigger tank. So we are going to be rigging a turtle pond in the walk-in closet, then pump it for our hydroponic system that goes from the top and hit all the plants and stuff as well, while filtering the nitrate and ammonia throughout the soil and the roots back into the ponds, making more of a cleaner water in the end. Turtles are very, let's say, they produce a lot of waste in a lot of different ways than you think you could for that as well. Other than that, 3D printer gotta get refixed. I'm trying to get 2 of my printers to be serviceable. Then we're gonna service the Elgul Saturn II, so we have 3 working resin printer. We are going to try to get some more filaments for the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. Then we are going to be printing a lot more bigger stuff, especially for Eldar. I want to get the Spectre. Then we're probably going to be going towards October very soon in video. So we're going to be printing big orc mechs and vehicles for that and paint that for Oktoberfest. That is going to be coming up because we just finished May. We're doing June, July, August, September. Then there'll be October. So we have a little bit of leeway and space. Try to get a lot of stuff done at the same time. Hopefully, it's going to be done by the end of the year. That's my goal, my plan. Try to get everything done. And hopefully get a part-time or full-time job, able to pay for the hobby for it alone, because hobby are ridiculously expensive, especially a lot of models and paints. It's getting harder and harder for me to cover a lot of the funds for it because I do donate plasma. A lot of plasma money goes towards the hobby that I do for this channel and in many other ways as well. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do have a great day. I'll be looking forward to you in April. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.